When you're shopping online, surfing the internet, applying for a loan or giving that dating app a try, personal data is being collected. The EU introduced a new regulation to safeguard such personal data from being misused. The GDPR imposes new stringent obligations on those who collect the data. Organisations who routinely collect data from employees and customers now have to comply with these obligations or risk hefty fines. Don't panic. At Ecovis, we provide the right legal and technical advice to enable your organisation to be compliant with the GDPR. Ecovis can help your organisation to comply by determining where your data is stored, implementing data protection policies effectively, updating and redrafting contracts, and introducing means to secure your data. For more information, send an email to legal@ecovis.com.mt.